first, let me start off by wishing you guys a very happy new year, and I hope you had a safe and blessed new year. But Miss Fenty, yes, Miss Rihanna, is starting off this 2019 with a bang. Yes. She just dropped 50 shades of concealer and added 10 new foundation shades. So I think that's total of 50 foundation shade, and also added 8 setting powders and new brushes and new sponge. So yes, she's starting off this new year with a bang, and she have the makeup world shook. So I got up early this morning. I am not on the PR list yet. Miss Rihanna, if you see this, add me to your PR list, girl. Yes, so I went and I picked up the concealer. This is it. And I got it in shade 340. Let me open it for you guys. And the reason why I got 340 is because I did not want to get the same color as my foundation shade. I know they said that the concealer matched the foundation, but I like to be a little highlighted, so I got something a little lighter, and I got 340, and this is it. It looks just like the foundation bottle, but it's just a smaller version. And when I swatched this in the store, it was so creamy. And this is the applicator. It's kind of like ColourPop applicator, but it looks like it's a little bit longer. But I like it, and it is so creamy. And I picked up the Fenty primer. I got the travel size because I got so many primer, and this is my first time trying it. So I really just wanted to try the primer out, and it's soft matte. And it just comes in this bottle, and it's a pretty big bottle. And I also picked up the new foundation in the number 385. I never really wore the Fenty foundation before because I could never find my shade. I tried 370 and 380, but they just didn't work for me. So when they came out with 385, I was told that this would be my shade, and it was. Girl, this matched perfectly. And I also picked up, let me tell y'all, Riri is not playing with y'all makeup brands this year. She came out with setting powder, y'all. 8 different shades of setting powder. I picked up the color Banana. I'm in the 300s, so they wanted me to get honey, but I really just wanted something to set under my eyes, and I think honey is like an all over setting powder, so I got the shade Banana. And when you open it, it's just in this pretty little case, and as you can see, it's a lot of product in here, a whole lot. And it's kind of like a light yellowish powder, but it is so pretty. I don't know what I could compare this powder to. Yes. And it also comes with another filter, I guess. I also picked up another Fenty Balm lip gloss, which is my favorite gloss. I know she came out with others, but I haven't had a chance to try it because this one is actually my favorite one. So I just picked up another one. If you're interested in seeing me use all the Fenty products and my first impression, please stay tuned. Like I said, I got up early this morning to go to Sephora so I could pick up all the new Fenty products, and she got all my money and she snatched all my edges, so now I need a new wig. So I picked up the setting powder in Banana, the primer. Right here, I'm just priming my face, and like always, I use way too much, but this primer is very smooth. Now I'm just going to apply the foundation, and it says shake the bottle, so it's like I had to shake this bottle forever. But this foundation actually matches me perfect, and this is the new foundation that she released on Friday, and this is shade 385, and it actually matched my skin perfect. And I think this is going to be my new favorite foundation. I'm gonna wear it all day today just to see how this product wears on my skin. This foundation is medium to full coverage because I actually went in and added another layer of foundation, and as you can see, it still looks like my skin. This is a bomb foundation. Now it's time for the star of the show, the concealer. I'm so happy about this product. Here's a side by side of the foundation and concealer. My first impression of this concealer is so creamy. It's not so creamy that it's moving all over the place, but it's like a thick, creamy concealer. I can't really compare it to any other concealer that's out right now, but this concealer does not move from where you apply it. It's bomb, guys. And I'm so happy with the color that I picked. So if you are like a 380 or 385, I would suggest that you get 340 concealer. And a lot of product comes out on this one. I did my entire face, my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead with just one dip. So you will save a lot of product. I'm just trying to get me a thumbnail. Now I'm just going to blend this concealer out with the Fenty blending sponge, and I did let this concealer sit on my face for probably about 5 or 10 minutes, and it was still so easy to blend. So if you're a person that likes to contour while your concealer sits, then you have time to do that without worrying about it drying up on you. And I really see why Rihanna called this concealer the cure, because, hunty, this is going to cover and not move. So I think this is the best concealer of all time. Look at this coverage. Look at how smooth it looks on my skin. I'm so excited about this concealer. Now it's time to set, and I'm going to set with the shade Banana. And this powder comes off smooth, it applies smooth, but next time I'm going to use a brush to set my under eyes just to see what's the difference. Now I'm just brushing the powder off, and it comes off very smooth and it leaves you looking flawless. Now I'm just applying my Fenty Glow lip gloss. This is the finished look, guys, and I must say I love every product that I use from Fenty, and this might be my new go-to. Fenty is about to shut the makeup game down. If she released brows and setting spray, it's over, because this concealer is definitely the cure. It's a must buy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Later. Flawless. Look at my skin. And I'm not going nowhere with this beat. I'm gonna have to tell my man to take me out, child, because this face is beat. Bitch, take all my money.